So I'm going to show you how to hide or show caller ID on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So you want to go to the phone app, and in the phone app, make sure the keypad is selected. And then now you can tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. Under settings, you want to scroll down to supplementary services, tap on that, and then it's going to check. So just give it time to check with the service provider your current setting. Now, once it's done, you will see show your caller ID. You can tap on that. Now, if you have more than one SIM card, you might have to choose the SIM card you want to show or hide caller ID for. So for me, to hide caller ID, I'll select never. And that's going to hide my caller ID. And if I want to show my caller ID, I select either always or network default, depending on what your network default is. So always will always show your caller ID despite your network default. Thanks for watching and good luck.